Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the development and construction industry in Jaewar, Noida. These services involve the study and analysis of soil, rock, and groundwater conditions to determine their suitability for construction projects. Geotechnical engineers in Jaewar, Noida utilize various techniques and methods to assess the stability and strength of the ground, ensuring that structures are designed and built to withstand the unique geological conditions of the area. One of the primary geotechnical services offered in Jaewar, Noida, is soil testing. This involves collecting samples of soil from different locations and analyzing their physical and chemical properties. By conducting comprehensive soil tests, geotechnical engineers can determine the load-bearing capacity of the soil, its compaction characteristics, and its potential for settlement. This information is critical in the design and construction of foundations, retaining walls, and other structural elements. Another important geotechnical service provided in Jaewar, Noida, is slope stability analysis. This involves assessing the stability of slopes and embankments to prevent landslides and soil erosion. Geotechnical engineers use sophisticated techniques such as slope stability models and geophysical surveys to identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. By understanding the behavior of soil and rock under different conditions, engineers can design slopes that are safe and durable. Geotechnical services in Jaewar, Noida also include the design of deep foundations. Geotechnical engineers evaluate the subsurface conditions through methods such as borehole testing and geophysical surveys to determine the appropriate type and size of foundation. Whether it is through soil testing, slope stability analysis, deep foundation design, or SCON design, these services contribute to the overall sustainability and durability of structures in Jaewar, Noida. In Jaewar, Noida, the development and building industries, geotechnical services are essential. These services entail the examination and evaluation of groundwater, rock, and soil conditions in order to assess their appropriateness for construction projects. To determine the strength and stability of the ground in Jaewar, Noida, geotechnical engineers employ a variety of techniques and methodologies. As a result, structures are developed and designed to resist the region's particular geological characteristics. Soil testing is one of the main geotechnical services provided in Jaewar, Noida. For this, soil samples from various areas are collected, and their physical and chemical characteristics are examined. Geotechnical engineers can ascertain the soil's capacity for supporting loads, its features of compaction, and its potential for settling by conducting thorough soil testing. The development and construction industries in Jaewar, Noida, heavily rely on geotechnical services. These services entail the investigation and